This is my Echo Show, and the other day I realized you can watch YouTube on an Echo Show, but you have to do it through a web browser. So I'm going to go Alexa, open Silk. Alexa, open Silk.
Here is Silk.
So it opens the browser from here, and I think you probably create a skill or whatever so it goes straight to YouTube. But once you go to YouTube, you can start watching stuff off of here. Like, this is what my kid was watching, but so you can watch anything off YouTube using the Silk browser. So that's it. Alexa, stop. Alexa, close. So let's see if I can open it. Alexa, open Silk browser to Sesame Street on YouTube.
Here are some ways you can watch Sesame Street.
Let's try a different thing. Alexa, open Silk browser to YouTube website.
Sorry, I couldn't understand, but I may have a few recommendations. There's a skill called Vicky. Control my computer. Would you like to try it?
No. Alexa, open Silk browser.
Here is Silk.
How about I try this instead? Alexa, open YouTube on Silk browser.
Here is Silk.
Alexa, exit. Alexa, open Silk browser to YouTube website.
Sorry, I couldn't understand, but I may have a few recommendations.
So,
There's
anyways,
a skill called Vicky.
exit.
Control
Exit.
my computer.
Alexa,
Would
exit.
you like to try it?
Alexa, exit. So, anyways, I don't know. You could probably create a skill, but I just
Sorry,
I just
didn't
thought
get
that was pretty cool.
The last one I
Alexa,
have is
stop.
Vicky. Control my
Alexa,
computer.
stop. I don't really use my Echo Show that much, but this was pretty useful for the kids so they could watch YouTube. Over and out.